Hi, John here from Churches Alive Online. Okay, this tutorial is going to talk you through how to make your own photo gallery like this one here and insert that into an article on a Churches Alive Online website. Okay, that is different to editing the built-in slideshows which come with your site. It usually has 2 or 3 standard set templates like this one here, which you may wish to edit. That's in a separate tutorial. But if there's a page on your website, it might be a blog page or an information page, for example, this example page here. If you want to add just here, for example, a slideshow of your own with some pictures in from a church event or similar, this is a tutorial for that process. So when I'm logged into my manager end, I need to find the web page that I want to edit. So mine's called example page. And here's the text coming up. And underneath intro text, that's where I want my slideshow to appear. So I click there and I scroll down to a little tool which is called Drop Pics. Incidentally, I clicked on Toggle Editor accidentally there, so I'm just clicking on it to bring it back again. So I scroll down to Drop Pics. Here it is down at the base. Click on that. Now there's a few galleries that are test galleries here, but I'm going to create a fresh one. So I click on New Gallery, and there it is, there's my new gallery. It's just got 2 little buttons here, Delete and Edit Name. So I'm going to call it Church Gallery. Okay, and then in my Church Gallery I need to click on it to make it grey, so that should now look white. This is the gallery which I'm going to add new photos to. So anywhere within this box here you can just drop the files from your file manager. I'm in fact going to just click on Select Files because I prefer that method. And I'm going to now find some pictures. I think I'm going to choose that one there. And I'm going to use Control Click to click on the other photos that I happen to want to add to my slideshow. Okay, so here we go. I'm choosing those files. I knew which ones they were before. You will probably plan your own as well. And so here they go. Now it will automatically resize them down to the right dimensions for your site when it uploads them. All you need to do is choose the style on the right. So we've got various different themes. They're all very different to each other. So it's worth taking the time to experiment with them. But let's just choose the standard one. So I click on Insert this gallery, and there it is. Now I don't see it on the back end, but I do need to just save my article now. So if I click on the green Save button in the front end of the website, that's where I'm going to see my gallery. So there we go, it's saved that. So if I go back to the front page and then refresh, here's my photo gallery. Okay, doesn't look that exciting at the moment. I'm going to try a different style, a different theme. I can still navigate through the pictures quite nicely and click on the cross when I'm ready, but let's try a different theme. So click on the Drop Pics gallery there and scroll down to my Drop Pics button. There it is, and I'm going to try a different style. Let's try carousel style. So this time I can just click Save here, and it will save it within Drop Pics, and then refresh here on the front end. So now I've got a different style of pictures. Okay, see how it looks on mobiles and tablets. It's worth doing. As you can see, there are slightly different sizes, so that does affect it, but you can select the different ones here, the different pictures in the gallery. For these pictures, that's not quite what I want, so I'm going to have another little look, see what else I can come up with. I think I'm going to go for this stacked image. Let's try that one next. Save that. Go back to the front page, have a little look. And here we go. This time they look different. Again, it comes back to this light box if you click on them, but you could have quite a number of photos here and they just move around as you click on them quite nicely, and they just come to the front, so you can click And one last style I'm just going to demonstrate to you. You're getting the idea here. Okay, so just save that one. And then I refresh that on the front page. And here's my photo gallery here. Just like the one I showed you at the beginning of this tutorial. This will look different on a mobile or an iPad, but it will work and it will resize, so just be aware of that. And that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget, in the front end is where you see the galleries, in the back end you don't see it demonstrated, but you do need to save and close your article at the end just to finish everything off. Okay, if you like this tutorial, please will you click like on YouTube, share it around. If you've got any questions, please feel free to leave a comment on YouTube. Drop me a support ticket if there's any problems relating to your site, and I will sort them out for you.